Hello everyone, I am continuously exploring Chat GPT and I discovered something that can kill e-learning platforms. Since Chat GPT was launched in November 2022 by a group of data scientists, data architects and data engineers of OpenAI, it has captured the attention of many aspiring data analysts, students and shifters from different competencies. Many institutions and organizations were thrilled to integrate Chat GPT in their system for a more seamless business operations and process, thus the rise of the demand for data-driven professionals. While e-learning platforms plays an important role in delivering knowledge to aspiring data analysts, and it was filmed and wrote by luminaries in data analytics. However, there are still limitations when it comes to the delivery of the lessons. During the course of exploration of Chat GPT, I have come across to one of its capabilities and functions that are not available in e-learning platforms, which make Chat GPT more useful. Many e-learning platforms might disagree with what I have discovered about Chat GPT because it will kill the business. In spite of its capabilities and functionalities, this will not and will never replace human data-driven experts, because the knowledge and functionalities of Chat GPT are based on historical records, unlike human where we learn based on actual experience. Whatever we fed to the machine, whatever data we stored in public data repositories, and whatever we post online is the machine's source of knowledge. If the idea is not available online, machine can never have any information to give. The same thing with e-learning platforms. If there are certain topics or lessons that is not discussed or included in the modules, students can just rely on the information being provided. A good example is that you can ask Chat GPT to perform a contingency table and calculate the chi-square test. You can do that in Chat GPT. If you know nothing about the requirements or assumptions about the expected values, Chat GPT will not going to tell you that each cell in the contingency table should have an expected value of at least 5. This requirement is based on the central limit theorem, which states that the distribution of the sum of independent and identically distributed random variables approaches a normal distribution as the number of variables increases. And the allowed number of expected values to have at least 5 is only 20% of the total cells being compared. If you have 4x4 contingency table, it is only allowed to have only 3 instances of having less than 5 expected values.